Hey friends, so today we are going to make modifications to some letterhead. What I'm going to teach you today is something that you can use for a number of projects. We're not making letterhead. I just want to show you how to make a watermark. And so this watermark is just something that is included in the letterhead. I try to make every letterhead that I create have a watermarked logo for whatever the brand is. In this case, we're just going to increase the opacity to make this transparent. So I'm going to show you a couple ways of doing this. If you look over here to my right hand bar, I can click this entire group, and that group is the icon for this logo. And if you look up here, this top bar, you can see that the opacity is right here. And so I can put this at 50% for all of it, and you'll see that it's a bit transparent. This looks good here, but it is a problem when you're printing it because sometimes this is going to come out dark enough on your printer to be a problem. So if you're going to do this with the group, I would suggest using something that is lower as far as the opacity is concerned. I usually will go at about 20% or lower so that when you print it, it will just lightly show. You don't want it invisible, but you want it to show just a smidge. All right, so I'm going to undo that one more time. And if you click on them, each of them individually, then you can individually change the transparency level. So for these, I will put them at about a 20. And for the green, I want to put that at about 30. The green is a darker hue that is going to show up, excuse me, it's a lighter hue. And so in that way, I want it to have um, be less transparent than the others. And so if you look at this now, you'll see them, but you'll also see that the green shows just a little bit more than the rest. So I increased them individually, but I could still go back here and then change that to about a 90% so that all together they will go down even lower. And so at this point, I simply will save my graphic and just go from there. Thanks for watching.